Good evening, dear students. This is the next video which I am making on heterotropic nutrition in plants. Hope you are studying well. Now, we knew that heterotropic nutrition in plants, we have already covered two topics, saprotrophic nutrition and symbiotic nutrition. Today, we are going to learn about parasitic nutrition, which is a third kind of nutrition that we have to study in your class. Now, parasitic nutrition, as you can see, this word parasitic has come from a word parasite. I've written it below. Parasite. Parasite किसे कहते हैं? Parasite are those living organisms that live on other living organisms and take food partially or completely from them. मैंने पैरासाइटिक न्यूट्रिशन जो वर्ड है वो आया है पैरासाइट लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स के लिए. अब पैरासाइट किन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स को कहते हैं? पैरासाइट उन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स को कहते हैं जो दूसरों की बॉडी में रहते हैं और उन्हीं से खाना लेते हैं. वो कम्प्लीटली पूरा खाना भी ले सकते हैं, वो पार्शियली भी ले सकते हैं. दोनों वर्ड्स का मीनिंग मैं आपको बताऊंगी. हाउ सम प्लांट्स आर पार्शियली पैरासाइटिक and some plants are completely parasitic. So parasitic word has come from the word parasite. Parasite are those living organisms which live on other living organisms and take food from them. Now the other living organisms from which they are taking the food. The other living organisms from whom they are taking the food. These living organisms are called as host. I'll give you one example. जैसे हमारे सर में जुएं होती हैं, head lice. Now head lice is an example of a parasite. It lives in our body and take the food from us. So head lice becomes the parasite animal, and our body, that is human beings or any animals from which it is taking the food, it becomes the host organism which is giving food. Okay? Now, parasitic nutrition are of two types. Those non-green plants or green plants which are living on other living organisms. Since we are here talking about plants, so those plants which are living on other plants and taking food from them, such plants are called as parasites, and the nutrition that is found in them is parasitic nutrition. जिस जरिए से वो खाना ले रहे हैं या जिस मोड से वो खाना ले रहे हैं उन प्लांट्स से, उन प्लांट्स उस तरह के न्यूट्रिशन को कहेंगे पैरासाइटिक न्यूट्रिशन. अब पैरासाइटिक न्यूट्रिशन दो तरह से पाया जाता है प्लांट्स में. कुछ ऐसे पैरासाइटिक प्लांट्स होते हैं जो सारा खाना दूसरे प्लांट से लेते हैं, और कुछ ऐसे पैरासाइटिक प्लांट्स होते हैं जो खाना खुद बनाते हैं पर इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ें दूसरों प्लांट से लेते हैं. मैं एक एक करके आपको एग्जांपल देती हूँ. कम्प्लीटली पैरासाइटिक का सबसे पहले डॉडर या कस्क्यूटा या अमेबल. आप कभी भी देखे होंगे जंगल वाले एरिया में या किसी भी फील्ड में कुछ ग्रीन प्लांट्स के ऊपर या ग्रीन ट्रीज के ऊपर पूरा नेट जैसा पतला सूता जैसा एक प्लांट ग्रो करता है. वो जो सूता जैसा प्लांट है वो हो गया आपका डॉडर, या फिर उसे हम कस्क्यूटा कहते हैं या फिर अमेबल कहते हैं. दे आर कम्प्लीटली पैरासाइटिक. That means this dodder plant is an example of a completely parasitic plant. Means it doesn't make its own food. It lives on other green plants, it grows on other green plants and takes food from them. So dodder plant, what is it? It is a thread-like yellow or light green plant which grows on other green plants. So आप जैसे पूरा नेट जैसा एक प्लांट देखा होगा आपने कभी भी, अगर ऑब्जर्व किया होगा अपने आसपास, ग्रीन प्लांट्स के ऊपर थ्रेड जैसा लाइट ग्रीन या येलोइश कलर का एक प्लांट ग्रो करता है. देखने से लगता है कि वो पूरा नेट है, एक नेट जैसा किसी ने ग्रीन कलर का या येलो कलर का उन ग्रीन प्लांट्स के ऊपर बिछा दिया है. दोज नेट लाइक प्लांट्स आर कॉल्ड एज डॉडर प्लांट, एंड इट विल ऑलवेज ग्रो ऑन अ ग्रीन प्लांट. any green plant. Now since green plant is giving food to this dodder plant, That is why this green plant becomes the host plant. मतलब डॉडर प्लांट जैसे पैरासाइट को खाना देने वाला या देता है. I hope this much is clear. So parasitic nutrition is found in parasitic animals. Here we are talking about parasitic nutrition in plants. So we are talking about parasitic plants. Now there are two types of parasitic plants. One parasitic plant is completely parasitic, example dodder. It will take food from the other green plant. It will grow on other green plant and it will take food from them completely. Now there is one more example of a parasitic plant which is partially parasitic. आधा parasitic होता है, hemiparasitic भी कह सकते हैं या semi parasitic भी कह सकते हैं. Partial का मतलब होता है आधा, hemi मतलब half parasitic. मतलब कहने का है, जैसे कि example mistletoe. Mistletoe में क्या पाया जाता है? Mistletoe is a green plant. It grows on other green plants. Now क्योंकि ये parasitic है, so what does it do? How it is partially parasitic or hemiparasitic? It will prepare its own food because it is green in color, but it will take all important substances from the plant on which it grows. Mistletoe is an example of a partially parasitic plant. This means it is green in color. It can prepare its own food by the process of photosynthesis. The photosynthesis ka process it can do, but it is taking water and other nutrients for the process of photosynthesis from the plant on which it is growing. That means from the host plant. Since it is parasitic, so it has to grow on other plant, but it is semi-parasitic or hemiparasitic or partially parasitic. This means it can make its own food because it is green in color by the process of photosynthesis. But for the process of photosynthesis, whatever important things are needed, like water and minerals, it absorbs from those green plants on which it grows. That is the host plant. So, to sum it up, parasitic nutrition is found in parasitic animals. Here we are talking about parasitic nutrition in plants. So we are talking about parasitic plants. Now there are two types of parasitic plants. Completely parasitic, which will take complete food from the other green plants. And there are partially parasitic. That means they can make their own food, but they are taking all the important things or all the important materials for the process of photosynthesis from the green plant on which it grows. That means from the host plant. तो parasitic nutrition के लिए एक host होना ज़रूरी है जिसके ऊपर ये सारे parasitic plants या animals रहते हैं या grow करते हैं, उन्हीं से वो खाना लेते हैं. Thank you.